Hi there, I'm very happy to see you here, and I'm so glad we have made it together up to this point. Today we're going to have revision and summary of everything what we have learned so far. If you don't know me, I'm Eva from EnglishWithEva.com, where you can find a systematic course of English. I use very prehistoric methods. For example, paper. You will need a paper to print out the vocabulary. You will need a pen or a pencil to get through my course. But if there is a global blackout, you will really appreciate that you have some papers and you will be able to learn and revise everything from the papers. And as I say, here it is, repetition is the mother of wisdom. So please, always get back to the old vocabulary. Even if you are going through lesson 30, just go back to lesson 1, go back to lesson 2 and see if you know the vocabulary. Those of you who have lots of time to watch movies, to watch YouTube, to play games, that's okay, that's the best. But those of you who really try to find at least 20 minutes a day to learn something, this is the best. Go back to the old vocabulary, revise it every time, repeat it all the time, and then you will see the progress. So good luck with that. If you're a beginner, you should know 88 words. If you are more advanced or intermediate student, you should know 150 words. This is up to you. The vocabulary is up to you. The grammar is up to me. Let's summarize the grammar together. We have learned personal pronouns together. I, you, he, she, it, plural, we, you, they. If you have personal pronouns as an object, then we say with me, with you, with her, with him, with it, plural, with us, with you, with them. Then we have also learned possessive pronouns. This is my pencil, your pencil, her, his, its, our, your, their. A few examples of the verb to be. I am, I'm not, I'm not. Am I? She is, she's. She is not, she's not, or she isn't. Is she? Isn't she? The verb have, or in British English, very often have got. I've got, I haven't got, have I got? She's got, she hasn't got, has she got? But in American English, we just simply say I have. Question, do I have? And the negative, I don't have. He has. Question, does he have? And the negative, he doesn't have. To create a regular plural in English, you add the ending s dog, dogs, cake, cakes. And then we have articles, definite and indefinite article. When we're talking about things for the first time, or it is unknown to the listener, we use an indefinite article, a, or before the pronounced vowel n. I have a sister. I have an apple. It is an old house. When we're talking about something which is known, or it is certain, then we use the definite article, the, or before the pronounced vowel the. The sister is very happy. The apple is red. The old house is very nice. Talking about the English word order, we use the abbreviation SWAMPed. Subject, verb, object, manner, place, time. There are a lot of irregularities, but this is the general rule and it works 95%. You can see this word order in English. Present continuous tense or present progressive tense. This is used when we are talking about something that is happening right now or around now. Right now, I am teaching English and you are learning English. Where are you going? What are you drinking? She's sleeping now. I'm reading a really good book now. I'm not doing it right now, but it is on my bedside table. And I'm reading it these days. Present simple tense. General truth. General talking. Repeated actions. Something happening very often. Always, usually, seldom, sometimes, every day, every month. I play tennis every day. He runs a big company. She lives in Prague. We like coffee. Do you speak English? Do they live here? Where does she live? What do you need? Does he like her? I don't speak English. She doesn't speak English. We don't know. They don't live with us. And last but not least would be the imperative. This means command or request. We use infinitive without to. Do it. Help me. Come with me, please. And negative imperative? We add do not, don't. Don't do that. Don't go there. For the first person plural, we. For us, we say let's. Let's go. Let's do that. And negative, let's not. Let's not go there. Let's not dance. Thanks for watching and see you soon.